I know how to do it.
Are you ready?
I know how to do it. Be like, nah, 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 nah.
What are you doing now?
And then.
Blessing, yeah, baby girl, you're a blessing.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
K and R gang.
Gang, 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 gang.
It's your girl Khadijah.
And it's the R of the K and R. Boy, get on my face, boy. The oily stuff. About to be gone, cause about to do her makeup. Makeup!
He's about to.
She already did her eyebrows, so she cheated. Cause
No, they're about to get wiped off.
Yeah,
Don't
what?
worry. Babe.
Yeah, spit, boy.
Oh.
That natural shit, boy. That natural shit, boy.
Well, he's about to do my makeup. We're about to get right into the video. So let's get into the video.
Right,
The
boy.
video.
Don't get punched, boy.
Yeah, so let's get started. Go ahead and prime me up.
So I will be using Pro Touch Primer. Pro Touch Primer.
Did
So
you wash
what?
your hands?
So what?
No,
just put it
use
on
your
here?
fingers.
Yeah, I won't fucking use my finger, boy.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, right after I wipe my butt. This is how I see professionals do it.
Who did it like this?
My man Tokyo.
Who the freak is Tokyo?
Tokyo Styles.
I ain't know about him.
Nigga. Us Asians stay together, boy.
First of all,
What is he? What is he?
ain't he black? Tokyo Styles is not no freaking
So
Asian.
why the fuck is he called Tokyo Styles, my nigga?
Just because I'm called Renew You doesn't mean I come from the state of Renew.
Don't
Alright.
edit that out. So what? Is this fucking bowl?
Yes. This is,
It's got water on it. You be trying to set me up.
well, you really can you just use your hands and like rub it all in?
It's okay. I like this. Ball to your head. Ball. What you looking at, man? Get that crease, cause your nose be ashy. Get that stash.
I didn't do a good job shaving.
Get that stash, boy. You got me jelly over here with my mustache, boy. Get that, get that, get that.
That tickles.
Oh, there is a lid already, boy.
Next. You gonna bang my head tonight? Ain't you still looking? Alright.
Eyebrow gel, what's that do?
For your eyebrows.
So what?
No, you better put that on your hand.
And then do what?
Take a little bit and use that.
I'm not about to put that shit in my hand, because then it's not going to come out.
Well,
It's stuck.
but you gotta squeeze it.
You want some? And then use this?
Yes.
It washes off, boy. Don't take a deep breath like that, boy. Oh.
What the heck? Oh, I need to zoom in on this.
Oh, boy, that's easy, boy. I'm about to do this shit for a living, boy. Like my man Tokyo.
You don't even do makeup.
Why is it so thick?
You definitely applied it wrong.
Okay.
You can tell who watch my videos and who don't.
Boy, that don't look just like your motherfucking eyebrows, boy. Do the wing. Make your eyebrow long because it's short.
Do y'all see that?
Boy, that don't look flinging. How was supposed to put it on?
You're supposed to outline it first and then fill it in, but do you, boo?
So what's this do?
I'm not gonna coach you. You do you. That's for the concealer to conceal.
So what, boy?
Are you gonna do the other eyebrow or no?
No, I'm just gonna leave this one eyebrow down. Look in the mirror. Look in the camera. Yeah, playing. Let me do the other one. Where's your pencil? Don't you use a pencil?
Mm-mm.
Yes, you do, boy. You be lying, boy. You be setting me up.
Come on, baby.
But it's cool. Stop moving. Look even.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay, that's cool. Look at me. This is too thick.
You just noticed that?
How you get it off?
Concealer. Use concealer.
Right like this?
No, put it on your hand.
Come on, boy. I just washed my hand, oh boy. Okay. Now what?
Ain't all that. Fenty expensive.
Where's one pump, boy? Now what, boy?
Outline it. If you watched my video, you would have understood.
Oh, well, I watch makeup video. Do I watch makeup? Do I do makeup?
Go.
What sense does that make, boy? Makes sense sometimes. You be setting me up. Boy, just bring it down.
Are you underneath her eyebrow?
What?
I kind of thought you were like...
Now what? I got too much on here.
And you still going back for more?
We didn't put any on there.
You gonna buy me a new one?
Hell no, boy. This was expensive. It's like painting. Stop making that face, boy. Let's see. Fucked it up.
You said you better.
It's too thick. Boy, just tell me what's next and don't get stuff in my hoodie, boy. Which one look wrinkly?
What's your face?
Yeah. She thinks she's funny, but she's not. Close your eyes! Alright, close your eyes, boy. I'd like to know how to get makeup done, boy. Well, boy, you can't eat my hand. Nah. Okay.
You done?
Yeah, what's next?
That's the only color you gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay. Foundation.
What's that? This?
Uh-huh. Egg.
What's egg? Oh. Egg. This is what you do. Wah. That's what you do, boy. Alright. I think you do circular motion.
You are good.
It's alright if I get on your bead.
My beads.
Yo, beady bead.
You know, I haven't heard that word in so long. Well, dang, beat my face off.
That's what it's called. Raised beats. Oh, girl, you about to be litty. Let me do your makeup for your birthday. My blend game's strong, that's what you say.
What the freak? Okay, how much longer?
I'm trying to make sure it blends, girl.
I'm telling your mom. Hey, girl.
That was funny too? Okay.
Okay, where did blush go?
I don't know, on your cheeks.
You want me to blush for you?
Move, boy.
Say something nice and cute.
Your whole fit cheek?
You tell me.
Like. You're not doing that one.
That's more. Spray me.
Let's jump.
Mm-hmm.
Close your eyes. With the baby.
Not so freaking close. You straight my mouth. You admire my beauty?
Boy, I don't know about that. Professional. Look at the camera. Boy, you can't tell me your makeup ain't popping.
You know?
Lipstick. I don't know how to put lipstick on. I don't know how to put lipstick on, man. Ah. So now what? That's so hard, I didn't think, you know. Now we do the thing, boy.
You said. You studying this, boy. You like it? Or?
Voila, boy. Poppin', boy.
That's it?
Simplicity. 3 or 4 things, you ready to go, boy. Lipstick. What y'all think?
Look at the lens, not the camera.
I'm gonna look where I wanna look.
Just look at the lens.
Look where I wanna look, Lance. Better than her
Zoom in.
makeup. I don't know how to zoom in on this face thing, boy. Boy. What you think? Grade it.
Honestly, or you don't want me to hurt your
Boy,
feelings?
honestly, I don't give a fuck, boy. I'm supposed to be a makeup artist.
You want me to tell you the things that you have forgot, or?
Forgot what, boy?
Okay, you forgot my mascara, eyeliner,
Okay, you don't need all that stuff. That's the extra stuff I'll be talking about.
and my eyebrows are definitely uneven.
Okay?
But my lips are pretty cool.
So that's the finished look. If you like your makeup done professionally for any pictures, movies, I'm available. I don't charge too much, you know. Rate is decent, you know, about $150 an hour.
And that's not a lot.
Think about how long it took me to do her face. Only 15, so 15, you know. Divide by 4, you know. That's only, you know.
What is it?
Like $40.
You just said 15 divided by 4. It's $50?
250, 150.
Did y'all hear him say 250? Did y'all hear him say 150 or $15?
You're gonna try to make me look dumb, boy. You dumb boy.
Why he said
Because math,
woo, I feel like a bug.
math is not your strong subject.
Math and English is not doing.
English is my second language, boo. Get that together.
English is your first language.
It's my second language. I wasn't born here.
Okay.
It wasn't my.
Speak Tagalog.
¿Cómo está?
What? That's Spanish.
¿Cómo está?
Yes, that is
It's hello.
Spanish.
Kumasta. Fucking puta. That's Spanish.
Give me a sentence in Tagalog.
No, I don't need to prove myself.
You just
What?
spit.
This is our video. Been a little busy.
Look at the lens.
Shut up! Been busy, but we will be uploading more. Woo! Cool. And go!